Hello, the purpose of this video is to go over the Unit 4 blog reflection. This is the last assignment in the class. The purpose of the assignment is to reflect on your time here in ENG 101. What did you expect coming into this semester? What strategies did you learn that helped you the most this semester? And how will this class and your newly required to find strategies help you as you further your education? This reflection is to be done in 3 organized paragraphs, about 5 sentences each. So what I recommend is doing a paragraph on each question. The next thing I would like to show you is the blog rubric. So you can see what I'm going to be looking for. I'm going to see that you have answered each question thoroughly in the 3-paragraph setup, and that you've identified multiple strategies to improve skills. So that second and third question, I'm going to see that you identified multiple ones. And then I'm going to be looking at grammar. But as you can see, the reflection part of the assignment is going to be where the bulk of the points are from. All right, and that is the Unit 4 blog reflection. To start, that's the instructions. Now that you've seen the rubric and have read the instructions, you're going to start a new thread. Put your last name. And write your 3 paragraphs here. When you're done, you'll hit post. And that's all you have to do. All right, if you have any questions, please email me.